Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arshad and you are watching Tech Master YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix black screen issue on iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste your time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen. If you face a black screen of death issue, replacing the screen must not be your first option. There are multiple other less costly or free fixes that you can try it out to get an answer to why my iPhone is on but the screen is black. So there are many solutions to fix this problem. Solution number one is force restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, slide to power off. Enter your iPhone passcode, restart your iPhone and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now you're applying this solution number two. Solution number two is remove unsafe app. Sometimes the issue is caused by unsafe apps, most probably when the face weak connection issues when loading sometimes from the internet. If that's the case, you can fix my iPhone screen is black but the iPhone is on in a matter of minute by following the guide. Close all the tabs and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now we're applying this solution number three. Solution number three is check the iOS update. Simply tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen. Little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. After that, you can see appears on screen this iPhone has iOS 18.0.1 update. If you have any pending update, please download and install and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now we're applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings. Simply tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen. Little bit scroll up, tap on general. Little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode or Face ID. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, restart your iPhone, wait 10 to 15 seconds and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem or visit the nearest iPhone store to authorize the dealer and fix your problem. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone black screen on iPhone in iOS 18 update fix. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.